Hey everyone, welcome back to FitSoft. A while ago, I created a tutorial showing how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro. Now, the download process has changed a little, so I thought to make an updated guide and walk you through the latest methods step by step. If you're new to VMware, it's one of the most popular virtualization tools available. It allows you to run multiple operating systems on a single computer by creating virtual machines. This means you can install and use Windows, Linux, and many other operating systems without making any changes to your main system. So give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. To download VMware Workstation Pro, you'll first need a Broadcom account because VMware downloads are now hosted through Broadcom. For that, click on first link in the description and you will come to this site. Now, click on the register button. Once the page loads, enter your email address and complete the verification process. Broadcom will then send a verification code to your email inbox. Open the email, copy the code, and paste it into the verification page. After that, fill in your details such as your name, country, job information, and create a password. Make sure to remember this password because you'll need it shortly when signing in. Once done, go back and sign in with your Gmail and password you created. After your account has been created successfully, open the VMware download link from the video description or pinned comment. When site opens, simply scroll a little and click on Download section. You'll be taken directly to the VMware download page. Now, click on Here button. Here, select VMware Workstation Pro for Windows and then choose the latest available version. On the next page, you'll notice a link for the terms and conditions. Click on it once, then return to the download page and check the box to accept the agreement. As soon as you do that, the download button will become active. Click it to continue. In some cases, Broadcom may ask you to complete a short verification form before the download starts. If that happens, simply fill it out and submit it. You can put random information here if you don't want to put original things. Once you're redirected back to the download page, click the download button again, and the VMware installer will start downloading. After the download is complete, locate the installer and double-click it to launch the setup wizard. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and continue with the installation. Once the installation is finished, click Finish. You should now see a VMware Workstation Pro shortcut on your desktop. Open it, and you'll be greeted by the main VMware interface. If you'd like to learn how to create virtual machines or install different operating systems inside VMware, be sure to check out the other VMware tutorials available on my channel. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.